It's indeed well appointed.
It is very well appointed.
Anong name ng hotel?
Matilda Boutique.
Matilda. Sino naman yan si Matilda?
The dancing Matilda. Who else?
Uh, who might she be ba?
Um, I don't know. I don't know who she might be. So, yun na nga, ibang-iba talaga yung Milano. Pagdating pa lang doon sa yung train station, parang heritage building din actually. Para siyang Grand Central ng New York. So, itong Milano Centrale, old building siya. Pero paglabas mo, my God, it's glass and steel. Yung mga buildings, high-rise, very New York as well kasi yung train station heritage pero yung mga high-rise modern. So, ibang-iba siya kasi ang Firenze talagang parang isang malaking intramuros talaga. So, I have a feeling bawal magano doon.
Mag
Malamang may ordinance na bawal magtayo ng modern building doon kasi wala talaga, not one.
baka
So,
they don't have an industry there.
they have. That is
Tourism.
Tuscany. Ang
The
Tuscany is
winery.
wine.
Pero walang nothing that would need factories na hindi mukhang barn. Ano ba?
Siguro, kasi agricultural. Tsaka feeling ko ano na din siguro, may ordinance din yan. Kasi wala talaga, imposible namang isa wala. So, malamang sa malamang bawal. Bakit naman yung iyong background is LRT eh?
Wala, para maiba naman every Zoom pag ina-upload ko sa YouTube, iba naman yung background. Hindi para siyang a continuation of, yung para bang a tranche of a long Zoom setup.
Correct. And why are you pareho tayo naka-green. Why are you wearing a jacket? Is it cold?
No, para rin iba kasi wear ko yung hindi ko nilaban ka,
Okay. I'm wearing your heart E.
diba?
Mamaya, irarampa ko to sa Milan.
Si Heart.
Lalabas ko. Si Nonoy tulog na. So, hindi na yan lalabas for the day. So ako, I will just explore the area.
Pero yung
So,
ganyan ni Heart, poncho, no? Nakita mo.
oh,
Tapos
Ponchon.
matingkad. Kasi, syempre baka 50,000 or 100,000 ang isang.
Correct.
Pero the design is almost the same.
Tama ba nabili to ulit?
Sa SM Surplus. Way, way before Hearts. Pero baka isang factory lang ang pinagkukunan. Iba lang yung yarn. Baka sa kanya, ano ba yan? Cashmere? Yan. Yarn lang talaga.
Pashmina.
Diba? So, ano pang
Ayun.
kwento?
Yun. So, tapos, on the way here, pinakita ko nga sa video, nagulat ako na shrouded in fog. As in thick fog. Yung nasa video, hindi pa yun yung pinaka-thick. After ng video na yun, naging ano pa, yung halos wala ka na makitang trees.
So, kinunan mo? Hindi na kasi wala namang effect.
Kasi white lang lahat. So, there was really nothing to it. But, yun na nga, parang naging visibility is approaching visibility zero na siya. Sabi ko, wow, bakit kaya? So, siguro mas malamig dito.
Well, apparently.
Ang sarap ng pillow.
Ano yung mga pictures sa likod mo? May name ba yung room nyo? Wala. Anong floor kayo?
Wala.
Did you show the what's outside the window?
Oo, di ba? Yung may tram.
Yeah, I remember. Bakit ka, ay,
Ano?
kumanong ka.
Ah,
Sabi mo, that's why they needed the card kasi baka nasisira yung mga gamit dyan.
Kasi sabi niyo noon, oh, you can open the balcony door. So, ginanon ko na, tapos gumanon yung door. Parang nahulog, nag-lean siya. So, ibinalik ko na lang. Tapos, wag na lang. Anyway, nakikita naman. So, yun, that's the video. Tama-tama, may tram na paalis, di ba? So, na-caught natin yun. Na-caught on video. So yun, ang daming tram dito, crisscrossing the city. Tapos all kinds yun. So, may very modern tram. Meron namang parang dingding sa Hong Kong, parang ganon. So, iba-iba siya, nakatuwa.
Siguro naman dyan, pupunta ka na sa palengke. Wala naman ako nakitang palengke.
Ay, pumunta kami sa palengke kahapon. Sa palengke kami kumain ng Firenze. Tapos,
Maganda ang palengke nila, di ba?
sobrang linis, parang mall. Pero
Yeah.
palengke siya. Kasi may mga meat, may mga produce.
Parang
ah,
market, tiendesitas.
Oo, pero talagang sobrang linis, walang amoy. Ay, alam mo, ang napansin ko dito sa Italy, walang amoy. Grabe sila. Bakit ganon? Walang amoy
Malamig.
talaga.
Hindi napapanis yung bulok.
So, yun na nga. Tapos, ay, kita ko yung mga fur baby nagwiwiwi. Pero bakit walang amoy? Hindi katulad sa atin na, baka, nanunuot na yung amoy dyan sa
Hindi na, hindi napapanis.
sandea.
Matagal
So,
Gusto ko makita yung pictures.
no, I will show you
Mm.
one by one. These are,
Sino yan? Kilala mo yung mga yan?
hindi.
Do you have a
I think
guess who they might be?
mga everyman siguro. These are the old people that the Italy of Mussolini era probably. Yeah, they're the workers.
Focus mo
They
isa-isa
make
para may souvenir tayo. Okay. Tapos yan, ano yan? Nasa
uh
haystack ba yan?
yeah, they're collecting hay.
Okay, yung
Hay.
isa,
This is a
farmer.
robot Italian farmer.
Yeah, very handsome looking the old man. Okay,
Very
next.
handsome. Taas.
So
It's a
ano ba yan? Okay, mother and child or lola and child?
mother and child. Parang lola and child. I love the gitna one.
Why?
Ayan, oh. You see it?
Oo. So lola and child then?
Yes, in hand. I love it. That's my favorite. And then maybe this is my next favorite.
So kaninong photography kaya yan?
It doesn't say
Baka hindi yan Mussolini time. Baka
earlier.
hindi, baka ngayon, naka black and white lang, made to appear old.
Siguro,
Walang
but
signature
that
yung
was
photographer.
wala eh.
I see.
But they are beautiful pictures. They are very evocative of a certain era.
Google search mo mamaya
Yes.
para lalabas kung sino ang photographer.
Kurik. Ay, nako. So, Baby T is in Milan.
Ah, patunugin mo si
Baby,
Baby T.
ayaw na niya. Ay, matigas. Tigulang na si Baby T. Hindi
Kailangan
mo siya nag...
martilyo ng mag-ano. Bakit kaya tumitigas yan?
So, this is Baby T's third Italian city. Ay, nako.
Yun. So, chill day lang kayo. Ilang gabi kayo dyan?
Ano ba ngayon?
Well,
Today's
sa
Thursday.
Pilipinas, 12.
Thursday
12 to...
night, Friday night, Saturday night, 3 nights.
Matagal din. Ano nga ang pupuntahan mo dyan?
Cenacolo.
Okay. Pero saan nakalagak yung Sina?
In some church here in Milan.
Pero walang
Uh,
museum dyan.
well, ang church yun, parang may maliit na museum din. Pero, syempre, ang pinupuntahan talaga doon is the Cenacolo by
Sinapol.
Da Vinci Cenacolo.
Gaano ba kalaki yun? Malaki ba
It's a
yun?
fresco. So,
Nasa
I will
wall.
know. I
Ano
will
bang
know
fresco? Nasa
tomorrow.
wall? Yun ba yung fresco?
Oh,
Muralya siya.
well, mural is not a fresco. So anyway, also we are going to Duomo di Milano, yung church na ayaw mo. Aakyatin namin yun. May ticket yun.
Dyan ang Duomo.
Well, actually lahat dito Duomo. So yung Florence, yung Firenze, may Duomo din. Yung kay
Yung may Christmas tree, ano
Guido.
yun? Duomo yun.
Ng
Ano ba ibig
Firenze
sabihin ng
na
Duomo?
Dome Church.
Dome, okay. So yung nasa
Eh, yung
garden ka, na nasa hill, yung nakikita kong dome, yun, yung may Christmas tree sa baba.
yes.
Ay
Yun
pala
yung kay
sabi ko,
Bruno.
bakit wala kang picture nung that church? Yung pala, hindi pa
Yeah.
pala yun. Hindi pa pala ano ang pangalan niyang church ng Duomo sa Milan?
May mga name naman sila. Like yung sa Firenze is Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore. Yun talaga ang name niya. So, nickname niya lang yung Duomo di Firenze. So ito sa Milan, meron ding name yung church. Nakalimutan ko lang. So anyway, we shall refer to it as Duomo di Milano.
Manood ka ng Milan sa YouTube. Magpa-picture ka ng ano, kung saan nag-shooting si ano. Sino to? Oo, 2.0 mo lang. Kasi maraming indoor shots eh. Pero dun sa lumabas sila.
Yeah,
Para merong namang Philippine pop culture reference ang yung Milan.
correct. At yun mismo ang title. Starring Pia. Sino nga ba si Pia? Pia Moran.
Kasama si Pia Morando.
Oo, friend siya ni Clau Clau.
Talaga?
Mm. Kasi mga ano yun eh, story ang OFW. So, sa isang OFW dun si Pia Moran. Pero
Mag-room tour
wala
ka
ata.
for Zoom.
Ah, okay. So, uh, this is from the door. Okay, so we enter. You see the closet, and then uh, biglang ayan, the room. So there's only one bed. Sa Roma at sa Firenze, naka-twin bed kami. Ngayon lang kami nag-single bed. So, good luck, 'di ba? Mm. Tapos, may sofa with those photographs and coffee table. My carpet. I like the carpet. And then the TV. Ang TV, kaya naka-on kasi dyan nakalagay yung Wi-Fi password. So you really have to turn on the TV to get to the Wi-Fi. So ayan, security key.
Tinikman mo na
And
yung chocolate.
super sarap. 3 layers.
Wow.
Tri-layered chocolate. Zumba Doc is down and out. Super. And this is the toilet. And the shower. Wala lang fireplace. I think that should be uh, fireplace under that TV, but it's already the wall and the balcony yung dun sa labas. And yan yung fixtures, a lighting fixture. And then there's that, I don't know why there's suddenly a big mirror na napakataas naman. So you can really see yourself in that mirror, but it reflects the series of photographs. So parang meron siyang design above the headboard. And
And
then there's the uh, what do you call this ba? Bureau? Charot.
secretary.
Secretary. Yes. Ay, hindi na on. And we have a coffee maker. Matilda still with our compliments. And teacups. So they have Granayo. Granayo is the name of the restaurant, the hotel restaurant where we had lunch. And I asked the cashier what Granayo meant, and she said it's factory in English, but I think I know now. It's a granary
Mhm.
because there's a grain icon. So yeah, and tying with the photographs on the wall. I think one of the industries here is probably wheat or I don't know what grain. That's why they have granaries and that's why they have those um, agricultural photos. So, siguro, before nag-fashion itong Milano, yun ang tradisyon dito. Okay, so that's my room tour. I mean,
Very good.
what
Maganda
else do
yung
you
room
want to
tour
know?
kasi maganda yung room tour kasi maganda yung room.
Maganda rin naman yung room namin sa The Artist Palace, in fairness. Kahit super mas mura yon, it was so much bigger.
It's
And
so it's so room for a group.
yes, yes. It's a family room, yung Artist Palace. So I love that hotel as well. And of course this and well I think I love it even more because it's so cheap. This
Uh,
one not so yun. Syempre yung sa Roma, yun talaga ang
We
very
finally found our
straightforward.
hotel.
You know, you just,
After
you know,
walking
put
this
your head
small
to rest kind of
cobblestoned esquinita
accommodation.
and
It's really what
facing
you
a
would
dock,
call
our
digs.
hotel is just
Okay,
mhm.
so
gorgeous.
it served its purpose. I have no complaint, except that there was an episode where we had a brown out. But other than that, it's part of the experience. So I relished that as well. But of course, ito talaga ang pinaka-posh. And one thing I like about the Artist Palace in Firenze is the concierge, si Maria. Oh my God. Too bad. Wala akong picture sa kanya kasi akala ko we'll see her again. So we just saw her twice. And we didn't get to see her when we left. Kasi kanina when we left, super early, wala pang concierge sa lobby. So I just left a note kasi parang may notebook sila doon. Um, so nag-sign ako doon and sinabi ko nga na we had a great time and the upgrade was much appreciated. And of course, shout out to Maria. You're awesome. Sabi ko ganon. Because I really, really liked her. Unfortunately, no, no photo of her or with her. Sayang. Baka ano kasi nun baka machika. Masarap kausap yung machika. Hindi siya yung basta sumagot ng question. So, ito, last stop in Italy. Ganun lang siya kabilis. And I'm halfway through. Halfway through. So, tagal-tagal pa din.
Mag-aeroplano ka pa uli.
Dalawang beses pa ako mag-aeroplano. Mag-aeroplano pa ako from Switzerland to Prague. Oh my God, yung iniisip ko 23 kilos. Iniisip ko tong bagelya ko. Pero hindi naman siguro. Siguro ang gagawin ko dyan,
So, bibili ka pa
ika-carry
kay bibili ka pa ng pasalubong kay Amba at saka dun sa
dun sa aking hostess with the mostess in Switzerland. So, papatulong na lang ako kay Lucia Rossini, our Connect, Zumba Connect in Milan. Total siya naman ang local dito. We'll meet her tomorrow kasi kasama siya sa tour ng Duomo and Cenacolo. So, patulong na lang ako sa kanya
yeah.
kung
At
anong
saka
maganda.
bibili ka pa ng mga pasalubong.
Ang pasalubong for the Philippines, bibilin ko siya
No,
sa.
for the hosts in the Northern Europe portion.
Hindi, yun nga, as I was saying, papatulong ako kay Lucia Rossini kung anong magandang bilhin for pasalubong for both Amba
Food, diba?
and Emma and John Bataclan. So, yun. Pero yung mga pasalubong for the Philippines, sa last stop ko na yon bibilhin. Meaning, bibilhin ko siya sa Christmas Bazaar sa Prague. So, si Diego na ang kasama ko.
Last ba
Mamimili.
si Diego na pupuntahan?
Yes, siya ang finale. So, karay-karay yung kanyang ding-dong at ang kanyang, ano yun? Lubid-lubid ba yun?
Naku, may naiiwan naman yung lubid-lubid dito. Nadala mo ba dyan? Kinain ko yung lubid-lubid dito eh.
Ano iwan?
Well, I ate the lubid-lubid here. You check daw your check mo. We have
Ah,
8 minutes to go.
late. later. I have, sabi nga ni Ino, every time I open my suitcase, sabi niya, oh, ayan, nag-wrestling ka na naman. Kasi para ako nakikipag-wrestling talaga. Ang laki-laki, bigat-bigat. Oh my God. So mamaya, pag inopen ko siya mamayang gabi, kasi parang wala nga akong memory sa Rome and Firenze na
Na
may
nakita mo
nakita akong
yun?
lubido. Oh. So, but in my mind, kinain natin yung isa. I know that. Kasi sabi ko, I think ang kasya lang talaga is isa lang.
Well, may isang pakete ng lubid-lubid na ako ang nagbukas.
Mm.
So, dalawa yung naiwan dito. Ilan ba yung binili ni Daiji?
Dalawa, dalawa.
Ay,
So, yung
naiwan.
isa,
Kinain
binusan natin,
natin.
kinain natin. Iba pa yun sa kinain mo on your own.
Oo. Kasi nga yung isa binuksan natin because she said, isa lang ang dadalin mo. Pues,
Oo. Hindi ko nadala
dalawa.
yung isa.
Oo.
Oh my
Tapos,
God.
yung tutupiin ko na nga yung green, ay yung red bag, red echo, doon ko na na-discover yung ano,
Yung SIM card.
yung SIM card, yung IMO, at ano pa yung isa.
Hindi ko pa nga sinasabi. Hindi ko pa sinasabi kay DC na may mga naiwan. Saan ka nagpunta?
Hindi ko ma, ano, yung IMO.
I have to put it on your body.
IMO. Jeggy, if ever you get to watch this in far future.
So, ang
Andi, yung biyaan ni, ano mo,
hindi pa
Kuya Ka.
naman, feeling ko pa naman na importante. At least
So,
nadala ko yung Vicks inhaler.
no, alam mo, this is available in Rome or in Milan kasi maraming Pilipino dyan. Maghanap ka dyan ng mabibilan, syempre overpriced. But I think this
Hmm.
is going to be available there sa Filipino community.
What is that? Can you take a photo of it? Because I don't know what it is.
Sabihin mo lang Globe SIM, 'di ba? Because I'm sure maraming Pilipinong pumupunta diyan na ano, they want a separate like this from ano, 'di ba?
Ay, Diyos ko, naiinis ako kasi I was so lutang na ako nung time na nagpapak and, just a week before leaving. Sobrang lutang ako. Hindi ko talaga naisip na yung mga ganyan. Ewan ko ba? It's my fault, I know. Sobrang nalutang. At least nandyan yung Vicks and yung Milo and yung Ding Dong.
Di ba? So, iiwan mo na lang kaya yung ano, ay hindi, sa iba palang number naka-register yung ano, Alora, ano nga yan? Aeralo.
Irrelo.
Il
Dapat pala sa Rome kasi I was with a Pinay, si Gigi Ramos. I'm sure
mm,
alam niya yung mga globe na yan doon because ilang araw din kaming magkasama. So, dapat pala sabi ko sa kanya nga.
so, I think sa Milan, the fact na ang pelikula ni Clau nasa Milan, marami dun siguro.
Oo, pero wala akong kilalang Pinay unlike
Ay,
yung
naku,
sa
mag, isi, tanungin mo dyan sa baba kung may Filipino staff kasi may tatanungin ka lang. Baka yung cook, yung naglilinis dyan. Kasi baka ito sa Prague, wala, kasi kukonti sila. Pero ito, this is it's a cottage industry in, ano siguro, Italy.
Turn on your
Turn on the what daw?
ano no eh? I'll turn on myself. Oh, actually you're talking to me. No, oh, I'm sorry. I'm talking to Ricky. Kala niya siya yung kausap ko. I've been talking and talking the past. How many minutes ba to?
40, less.
Oh, the
Gadamgo
past
siya.
half an hour. Okay. We will
Anyway,
see you
bye-bye.
soon.
See you
Bye-bye.
soon.